Hi and welcome to session 1 of the Effortless Focus series. We live in a busy world. The senses are constantly stimulated. Smartphones, videos, ads, and out in the streets the crowd of people, traffic, horns, the sound of disorder and chaos. And so when our senses are assaulted in this manner, the brain becomes restless and chaotic. And you have to put in more effort for the same results. More stress, less efficiency, poorer focus. So what you're going to learn through this series is the ability to relax and focus, to be completely aware and single-minded, yet completely relaxed. It's what psychologists call the state of flow, of being at one with what you're doing, a state of effortless focus. So in these sessions, you're going to use sound as a point of focus, and you'll practice hearing the sound so completely that there is no effort to observe, where you become one with the sound. So sit down comfortably, with your feet on the floor and hands in your lap. And take a few slow, deep breaths, taking your time with each breath. And allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms. Gently close your eyes and take a few moments to commit to the practice, letting go of the past, the future, and making a commitment to experience this completely, as best as you can. And bringing your mind to your body. Experience the contact of your body on the chair. Notice the contact of feet on the floor. And experience the weight of your hands in your lap. Now notice and experience the full weight of your body. Moving your attention now to your breath and allowing your body to breathe for you in its own natural rhythms. Observe and experience the movement of your body with each breath. Experience the sensations of the rising and falling of the abdomen, the rhythms of your breath. Turning your attention now to all the sounds around you. If it is quiet or silent, go deeper into that. Listen closely, but without much effort, allowing the sounds to come to you. Now, over the next few minutes, you will hear the sounds of a singing bowl. It's a kind of a bell where the sound is not made by striking the bell, but by running a mallet round and round on the edge of the bowl. And this continuous pressure becomes vibrations. And the vibration is what you hear as sound. Bring your attention, your focus, to the sound, and put in just enough effort to stay with the sound, keeping your attention on the sound at every moment. Now and then I'll give you suggestions of how to listen and what to notice about the sound. But these are just suggestions. Hear the sounds, focusing on it and experiencing it in your own way. Notice if your focus moves away, and then turn it gently back to the sound. The sound is not just a single note. Hear the subtleties, the complexities in the note. Notice the rising and falling of the sound. Notice what the sound feels like against the ears. Putting in just as much effort as necessary. Noticing if the mind has moved away, and gently bringing it back to the sound. And moving your attention back to your breath, to the rising and falling of the abdomen. Noticing once again the contact between body and chair. Notice any light shining through your eyelids, and slowly and gently open your eyes. These sessions are like a workout for the brain and mind. This will become easier. Remember the first day you hit the gym? Your body aches and hurts, but keep at it and soon your body is strong, can accomplish things effortlessly. So no matter what your experience today, keep at the practice and your focus will become stronger until you find it effortless. Before the next session, spend some time now and then focusing on sounds around you. Maybe half a minute or a minute of this couple of times a day, and see how that improves your focus. So come back to your next session where you will further boost the strength of your brain until you can enjoy effortless focus. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 2.